Going through a spiritual awakening is a complex and often solitary journey, yet it possesses a unique and profound beauty. Contrary to the misconception that it is an extraordinary or superhuman achievement, it is not an exclusive privilege for a select few. In its essence, a spiritual awakening involves experiencing one or more profound shifts in consciousness that lead to a deeper comprehension of life's mysteries and the interconnectedness of all things. It is a timeless and continuous invitation, an ongoing opportunity that exists in every moment of your life, urging you to fully embrace and trust yourself with all your imperfections. It revolves around being wholly present and alert in each precious moment, breaking free from the continuous narrative of the past and future, and genuinely engaging with life. It extends its embrace even to your moments of hesitation or self-doubt. It encourages you to wholeheartedly embrace the extraordinary gift of existence, encompassing both pain and joy, bliss and sorrow, ecstasy and overwhelm, certainty and doubt. You come to understand that you are never separate from the entirety, never truly broken, and never truly lost. This shift in consciousness signifies a transition from identifying solely with the physical body and mind to recognizing a deeper connection with the divine or the universal oneness. The mystical experiences can vary widely, but they typically involve a deep sense of peace and joy, a profound connection to your true self, and a more profound understanding of your place in the vast universe. During a spiritual awakening, you essentially awaken from the dreamlike state of ego-centered living. This process prompts you to question your old beliefs, habits, and societal conditioning, revealing that there is far more to life and your true self than what you have been taught. In this video, discover the 10 guidelines, principles, and key markers along the path to spiritual awakening that can prove effective in deepening your spiritual journey. 1. There is no destination. There is only now. In the narrative of life, there is no final stop. Only the present moment matters. Move away from dwelling on the past, worrying about the future, or chasing spiritual enlightenment. Let go of your focus on what's already happened and what's yet to come. Step out of the storyline of my life and let yourself be intrigued by the lively interplay of thoughts, sensations, feelings, and impulses happening right where you are. Cultivate curiosity for the vibrant experience in your immediate surroundings. Remember, the present moment is where genuine answers can emerge. It's your true home, existing outside the bounds of time and space, providing calm amid life's chaos. 2. Thinking and resistance create suffering. Pain itself is not the primary issue. It is our thoughts about pain and our resistance to it that give rise to suffering. We often try to evade or project ourselves into an idealized future to escape our current discomfort. The real trouble starts when we dwell on our pain, sadness, fears, and anger. We replay our life story, alternating between yesterday's regrets and tomorrow's anxieties. Instead of embracing the present as it unfolds, we find ourselves fixated on past and future sorrows. This overthinking and resistance layer on unnecessary anguish, leading to suffering. The solution lies in breaking free from the shackles of the past and future, relinquishing the constant pursuit and facing life as it is, in its unfiltered rawness, without judgment or preconceived expectations. Embrace each moment, both the pleasant and the painful, without a specific agenda. See every experience as a gift and show up fully, without reservation, for what life presents, right here, right now. 3. Thoughts and sensations are impersonal and unreal. View thoughts and sensations as impartial and impersonal occurrences within your presence. Much like the sounds we hear, thoughts and physical sensations emerge and fade naturally, like ripples in the vast ocean of your being. You cannot control, erase, or elude them. Develop the same gentle approach toward thoughts and sensations that you naturally hold for sounds. Confront all thoughts and sensations with a spirit of compassion and curiosity. Consider them as visitors in the sanctuary of your awareness. 4. You are the space for thoughts, not the thinker of them. Thoughts do not define you. They are mere passing phenomena. Suggestions, possibilities, fleeting images, opinions, and voices that come and go, like clouds in the vast sky of your being. Resist the urge to suppress, silence, or control them. Instead, recognize yourself as the spacious awareness in which these thoughts arise. By being mindful of your thoughts, you transcend their limitations. Embrace your true nature, which is the unwavering cradle of thoughts, the boundless space where thoughts freely come and go as they please. 5. Breathe into your discomfort and pain. Honor it. Infuse uncomfortable sensations with the breath of life, granting them the dignity they deserve. Instead of pushing them away, breathe into these uneasy feelings. With each inhalation, envision or sense your breath permeating the neglected and delicate areas, suffusing them with vitality and compassion. Infuse the discomfort with oxygen, tenderness, and a sense of dignity. These sensations want to be acknowledged, honored, and included in the present moment. Assume that even discomfort holds its own wisdom and is not inherently against you. Understand that genuine joy isn't found in the absence of sadness or pain, but in the willingness to embrace and honor all aspects of your experience. 6. Acceptance as your innate nature. Embracing acceptance doesn't guarantee the departure of an unpleasant thought or feeling. It might persist. Resist the urge to actively accept it, as this can be a subtle form of resistance. Instead, recognize that it is already accepted, a natural part of your present reality. Consider the possibility that it might endure indefinitely. By treating it as if it's a permanent resident, you release the time pressure, eliminating the struggle to make it vanish or questioning why it lingers. It is here, in this very moment. Acknowledge this reality and approach it with curiosity. Allow any impulses or emotions, be it frustration, boredom, disappointment, or even despair, to surface and be embraced. They are all components of the present experience, not obstacles. Even the sensation of being blocked is just another facet of the current scene. 7. Abandon always and never. Now is your only power. In reality, the concepts of always and never are illusions. Beware of these words. They are deceptive, fueling a false sense of haste and helplessness, nurturing the narrative of perpetual seeking and insufficiency. There exists only this very moment, which is your sole source of power. At times, even thinking about tomorrow can feel overwhelming. Ground yourself in the here and now. 8. Embrace the journey. Be here now. We frequently fixate on the destination, losing sight of the beauty in each step of the journey. This fixation leads to stress, a feeling of being perpetually not there yet. However, true joy resides in the present moment, independent of goals or desires. Redirect your focus away from the countless steps ahead, the ones you have yet to take, and the myriad things missing from your current reality. Instead, concentrate on the step you are taking now, on this timeless ground beneath your feet, your very essence. Take a moment to breathe deeply, feeling the vitality coursing through your body. It's okay not to have a clear destination. Uncertainty is a natural part of life. Embrace any doubts or apprehensions with kindness. Welcome this sacred space of unanswered questions. It is alive, brimming with creativity, and overflowing with endless potential. 9. Embrace your stumbling. It's part of the journey. When you realize you have become entangled in a story, lost in thought, or disconnected from the present moment, rejoice. You have just awakened from a dream. Within you resides a profound intelligence, a capacity to recognize and reconnect. In that moment, you have transcended eons of conditioning. Don't chastise yourself for forgetting. Instead, celebrate your ability to remember. Forgetting is just another perfect scene in the movie of life. Allow yourself the freedom to forget occasionally. Choose humility in your journey over the pursuit of perfection. Doubt, disappointment, and disillusionment will be constant companions on this uncharted path. In presence, there is no predefined destination, no image of success to conform to. When there is no ideal of rightness, you cannot make a wrong turn. 10. Celebrate your uniqueness. You are life itself. You are inherently unique, and your journey a one-of-a-kind odyssey. While we all stem from the same vast ocean of consciousness, each of us is an unparalleled expression of that infinite sea. Entirely distinctive in our individuality. Resist the urge to measure your worth against others. When you engage in comparisons, you diminish your own exceptional and irreplaceable gifts, talents, and truths. Moreover, you disconnect from your distinct present experience. Avoid contrasting this moment with any imagined version of how it could, should, or might have been. Healing begins when you wholeheartedly accept where you are now, even if it doesn't align with the dreams you once had for this point in your life. Remember, you are a divine being on a unique journey. Stay connected to your inner wisdom.